Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sophie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom background on your Steam profile with artwork on it. So first of all, you have to note that you can only make artwork, only put artwork on your profile to when you hit level 10 on Steam. So if you have all of that, all the requirements so Steam level 10 and stuff. So, first of all, you'll come to Steam Design, okay? Steam.design. Then you'll come to a page like this, just with a different background on here. When you're in here, you can just change background, BJ's background, until you like one till you see one that you like. I like this one, and for the sake of this video, I'm gonna buy this one too. So when you find the one which is good, or you paste the URL of one you like, you just click get this background. You come to this page, like this is gonna change for yours. So you'll come to this, and then Stellar one is the name of mine. So I'll go down, and then find the buy button. So then you just click buy. I agree, place order. Okay. When you've done that, just click this, then click on view to full size. This is your background. So what you have to do to put an artwork, so you can put it on profile like this, but it would be easier if you would put artwork, and if you want to make put your name on the artwork, or like a GIF, you can just copy this URL, this link, Control C, go to Jiffy, make a jiffy.com, create, and then GIF maker. On here you can go add any URL. On here you do Control V, and it shows up like this. So on here you can just customize your artwork or your Jiffy, which will be your artwork on your profile. So for me, it's gonna be in, like, I'll just put my name, like Xerofi, and then typed it incorrectly, Xerofi. So I'll just do pixel and wavy because I like this. Then you can also put in stickers. For example, if I want to put in like money, I'll just do like this, okay? A bit lower maybe, like this. So when you're done customizing, you can also add filters here and draw on it too. So if you're done customizing, you just click continue to upload. You have the source URL, this, and you just go to tags and you just put in whatever, like I'll just do meme, I don't know, public. You have to keep it on. Then upload to Jiffy. When you're creating your GIF, it'll load, and then you'll come to this page. It should load now. So this page here, you can see everything. Here you'll go to media, and then you'll see source MP4 small. Here you'll click on MP4 and download. It'll download down here. You'll just close out of this and go to Discord. So you can just go like this. I don't have Discord installed on my Mac, so we'll just do it like this. It's loading. Oof. So when it finishes loading, so you'll just go, because I'm already logged in with my account, you'll just go to your profile. When you're on your profile, you, like, this is already my background, like it's with this and then stuff around. So you go to edit profile. You go down, you scroll down to profile background. On here you do select profile. You know, you bought the profile, last profile, the Stellar one for me. So you click on this, and you go down all the way, save changes. As you can see now, if you click return to my profile, this will have the Stellar background. Then if you want to change the artwork showcase on the screen, you just have to click on here, public image. So you'll do so you'll click on this. What? Yeah, I doesn't know. Yeah, artwork showcase, correct. Add. Why is this not working? Why is this not working? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I'm stupid. So you'll go to your profile. Oof. You'll go to your profile and then artwork. And here, artwork. Up here, you'll go to artwork upload, or upload artwork. And here you'll click not game specific. Then you have like your artwork title. I'll just do dot. For a file, you'll just do one of your files. For me, it's gonna be in where is this? You just have to find it. This one, then open, and you'll see it'll be this one. Set visibility, public, whatever. You don't need any of this. Just why is this not working? Oh, here. Yeah, this. Okay. This one. Add a description, just do dot, then save and continue. Says you must first. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this right now. Okay, and you have to certify that you created it because you did, indeed. Why? Where is it? Or it's this one, but well, then just MP4 to GIF. Okay. You'll just go to here, and you'll just choose a file from your PC here, and I'll just put in my thingy. Upload. Upload video. Okay, so convert to GIF. So like this. Okay, so you have this. You'll just go to, isn't it resize? Here you'll do, no, it's actually fine. Resize. Okay, and then you can just save like this in a GIF. Then you'll go back to your Steam profile, choose a file. It's going to be the easeGIF file, put it in here, and then save and continue. Okay, you have this. Then you'll go back to your profile. So profile, you'll go to edit profile, it'll go down here. Click this, do this, save changes, return to your profile, and there you have it. You have the thingy on your profile. So that was it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See ya.